felt true.
Day, same old miles, I drift away. 1,000 roads beneath my feet, but none of them can feel complete. These motel lights, they flicker dim. I lose myself remembering him. The echoes of your voice still stay. It's all I hear when skies turn gray. I'm still back to where you are. Though I roam, I'll never lack. You're still my way back. The seasons change, the years unfold, but some things don't do what they're told. Your memory lives in every song, like you've been with me all along. I see your face in city glass, and silent crowds that always pass. No matter how far I may stray, you pull me back the same old way. I'm still finding my way back to you. In the dark I see it through. Every lost step, every night draws me closer to the light. Though I roam, I'll never lack. You're still my way back. And I've tried to outrun the pain, tried to wash you out like rain, but the truth is etched in me. You're the place I'm meant to be. I'm still finding my way back to you. Though I've shattered, I'm not through. Every tear, every past regret leads to you. I won't forget. Though I roam, I'll stay on track. You're still my way back. You're still my way back. Still my way back. No matter where I go, you're home, I know. I wake up with the weight of skies, no answer staring in my eyes. Another day, another wall. I try to climb, I always fall. They tell me time will make it right, but I just ache again each night. This broken world, this faded sound. I'm screaming, but there's no one around. I've been waiting for a sign, but all I get is passing time. So tell me why I'm here, shouting loud, but no one near. I forgets how to relate. We scroll through life like we don't care, but deep inside we all feel bare. I've written words I've never shown, sung melodies I've only known, and though my voice is thin and torn, it's all I've had since I was born. I keep screaming at the sky, but never seem to know why. So tell me why I'm here. In this noise I disappear. I build my soul on shattered glass. I chase the sun, it doesn't last. Is there a voice that wants to hear? Please someone tell me why I'm here. Maybe we're all just made to break, to learn what real from hollow takes. But I still hope beyond the pain that love can bloom in acid rain. So tell me why I'm here, still singing through the fallen tears. I walk through fire, I breathe in doubt, but I refuse to just burn out. If there's a light, just make it clear. Please someone tell me why I'm here. You walk past like I'm not there, eyes on her like I don't care. She wears heels, I wear your name, in quiet lines I can't explain. You laugh loud when she's around, but when she leaves, you just shut down. You don't see how you fade to gray each time she turns and walks away. And I've been here through highs and lows, the girl who really knows your soul. Can't you see I'm standing still, right behind the love you feel? You chase a dream that lets you bleed, while I'm the heart you really need. But you keep running like you do, while love is right in front of you. She posts pictures, filters bright, but hides the truth behind the light. You tell me she's the one, I swear, but I just nod and say I care. You call me when the silence grows, when she forgets the things you showed. And every time your voice breaks through, I wonder why can't that be you? You tell me secrets you don't share, like I'm just safe because I'm there. Can't you see I'm standing still, right behind the love you feel? You chase a dream that lets you bleed, while I'm the heart you really need. But you keep running like you do. is right in front of you. I won't keep waiting on the side while you pretend your heart can hide. Someday you'll turn and see me gone and wonder why it took so long. But can't you see I'm what you need? The one who's there when you can't breathe. You chase a storm that always breaks, while I'm the calm you always fake. So take a step or lose it too, 'cause love was right in front of you. Your stage, play it cool, then flip the page. Say one thing, then act brand new. I never know what's real with you. You laugh too loud, then pull away, like it's a game you love to play. But I'm not here to chase your show. I want the side you never show. Why do you change like every day? I can't keep track of what you say. You're wearing that two-faced smile again, acting like we're more than friends. But when the lights are low, you hide. Another mask, another lie. I'm tired of guessing what you mean. Why just come clean? You text me late, then disappear. Say you care, then shift the gear. I'm not a toy you pick and choose. I've had enough of playing loose. You tell your jokes, then close the door. Like I've heard them all before. I'd rather hurt than be confused, than love a version you've reused. I see the truth behind your eyes, but you still wrap it up in lies. You're wearing that two-faced smile again, acting like we're more than friends. But when the you pull me in, then shut me out. It's like you're scared of letting go, so you pretend, but never show. You're wearing that two-faced smile again, and I'm not falling for pretend. You turn your back when things get true, but I see through the act you do. If you could stop the stupid game, maybe we'd still be the same. You're wearing that two-faced smile again, and I won't be fooled again. You stood so still beneath the light, the shadows dancing through the night. I tried to speak, but lost the sound as silence wrapped around the ground.
You held your breath, I saw it fade. 1,000 words we never made, and in your eyes a quiet plea. But I was blind to what you need.
I wish I'd known what you were feeling, instead of guessing, barely healing. Now I hear your voice in whispers in the rain, calling out to me through every ache and pain. You were right there, I was far, looking past the heart you are. And I'd give the world to hold you once again, but all I have are whispers in the rain.
We chased the stars with open hands, but never learned where we should stand. You gave me truth, I gave you time, and lost the rhythm of your rhyme.
The days grew cold, and so did I. Too scared to ask, too proud to try. Now memory's young, the space you filled, a silence love can't seem to kill.
I never meant to turn away,
But I was young, too lost to stay. Now I hear your voice in whispers in the rain, like a song I can't forget, stuck in my brain. You were light and I was blind, searching for what I left behind. And I'd trade it all to feel you once again, but all I hear are whispers in the rain. If I could turn the hands of time, I'd trace the lines back into mine. I'd speak the truth I kept inside, and never let your heart divide. Now I hear your voice in whispers in the rain, soft and broken, sweet and full of pain. You were love I didn't see, now you're just a dream to me. And if there's a heaven calling out my name, I hope you're there in whispers in the rain. If I could turn the hands of time, I'd trace the lines back into mine. If I had the chance to start again, would I Autumn leaves are falling down. I still remember that old town, the way you smiled beneath the rain, before we both became this pain. You held my hand, I let it go, and told myself I had to grow. But now the nights feel twice as long, and silence sings our broken song. I thought I'd find peace on my own, but peace is loud when you're alone. If I could stay, I swear I would. Undo the times I misunderstood. I'd take the words I left unsaid, and warm the heart I left for dead. But all I do is miss the way you loved me when I walked away. I pass the place we used to meet. Your shadow walks these quiet streets, and every sign and every light feels like a ghost I failed that night. You needed me, I needed space. Now I'm just lost in your old place. The coffee's cold, the bed feels wide. Regret's the only thing I hide. I used to dream of something new. Now every dream just ends with you. If I could stay, I swear I would. Undo the times I misunderstood. I'd take the words I left unsaid, and warm the heart I left for dead. But all I do is miss the way you loved me when I walked away. I see your name on every page. My heart's still trapped inside that cage, and though I wear a braver face inside, I can't erase your place. If I could stay just one more night, I'd hold you close and make it right. I'd keep you safe and never roam, and find my way back to our home. But life moves on, and I still pay. You loved me once, I walked away. You walked away. City lights on an empty street, footsteps echo in soft repeat. Dreams like shadows slip through time, chasing hope in a silent rhyme. And all the nights you felt alone, fighting battles never shown. And there's a voice inside the haze, singing through the darkest days. Hold on to the fire in your soul when the world feels bitter and cold. Every when the silence swallows you whole. Every tear's a battle cry, rising like the morning sky. Don't let go, you've got so far to go. So keep walking, heart open wide. There's a sunrise on the other side. Hold on tonight. You're the spark, you're the light. Inside the air, but reach for love that isn't there. Your voice still lingers in the night, a shadow caught in candlelight. You said forever, then you fled. Now I just talk to ghosts instead. I tried to hide the tears I knew, but silence always cuts right through. Why can't you hear me? The wind still sings what I'm about. You left your silence as a mark, and now I'm lost in endless dark. I scream your name through falling rain, but only echoes speak my pain. watched you close that wooden door and knew you won't be back no more. You gave me all, I gave you doubt, and now I'm learning to live without. I thought I'd find myself in space, but all I found was your lost face. I never meant to make you cry, but good intentions still can lie. If I could turn back time tonight, I'd hold your hand and make it right. Erase the words I said in vain and kiss away your quiet pain. But every sorry comes out dry. It's just too late for me to try. Coat still on the chair, like some part of you lingers there. The coffee's cold, your book's not moved, like love just froze the life we knew. You needed truth, I gave you pride. I chose to run instead of fight. Now all I do is chase the sound of footsteps when you're not around. I thought you'd wait, I don't know why. Some lessons need a last goodbye. If I could turn back time tonight, I'd hold your hand and make it right. Erase the words I said in vain and kiss away your quiet pain. But every sorry comes out dry. It's just too late for me to try. A poem lost in quiet signs, and every song I sing alone still aches for you to come back home. If I could turn back time tonight, I'd meet you there beneath the light. I'd take the road I left behind and never let you slip my mind. But all I am is one last sigh. Too late for love, too late to try.